welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing super well. Today is going to be all about my summer favorites. I have a summer favorites haul to share with you, a few items I picked up during the summer that I've been loving and enjoying. I have a whole range of products from shoes, accessories, swimwear, to beauty and clothing. So let's get straight into it. We're gonna get started straight with shoes. I have two pairs of shoes to show you, and I'm actually partnering with this brand. It is called 709 Shoes. This shoe brand specializes in comfort. So basically they have this really cool technology that they use in each of their shoes, which makes it comfortable to walk around. They have an air touch foam in each of their shoes, which basically was inspired by sneakers, and therefore it is a shoe that has the same technology and comfort as a sneaker. So if you're like me and you live in the city and you walk around a lot, this is definitely something you might be interested in. It comes beautifully packaged in the box with a dust bag. This pair here is very much so a very stylish pair that is trending for the summer in a coffee brown color. I have worn this shoe already and can confirm that it is extremely comfortable, and the reason for the comfort is due to having lambskin upper and has a sheepskin lining on the inside, which makes it breathable. And then based on their technology of the shoe brand, they specialize in soles where the technology is more supportive and supports your shoe. I can actually see it on the inside here. It makes it more breathable for your foot, and that's made of the air touch foam technology, which makes your foot breathable and keeps your shoe fresh, and it actually makes it very soft to walk on. It's almost like you're walking on a cloud. It is very comfortable, very soft. I've already worn it, like I said. It is in the stunning brown. I will link these down below as well, so you can check these out. Another pair of shoes I would like to share from 709 is a beautiful sling back in a beautiful white color, which is very fitting because, as you know, I'm in my post-engagement stage. So it's in this beautiful white color. It has a kitten heel of 50 millimeters, and it is a slingback with a pointed toe. And again, it has the same technology as the Mary Jane flats I just showed you. It does have the lambskin lining on the outside. It does have the lambskin lining on the upper leather, and then also has the soft leather on the inside. It has the air touch foam technology on the inside of the shoe. So even just feeling it feels like a cushion. It is like walking on a cloud. It is very soft and supportive. This will definitely be something that you could easily wear to work and spend the entire day in it just because of the comfort. It has a breathable insole just because of the sheepskin on the inside. The leather of the sheepskin on the inside makes it breathable, and it has micro needling technology that supports the shoe, and again is completely comfortable as well. Another interesting little information fact about the shoe is it has an anti-slip sole. So when you're walking in the rain or down a hill, it basically will support you on that. So that is always a great benefit. The last product to share from 709 is this little accessory. And as you can see, it is a gorgeous little sparkly bow. This is a shoe accessory that you attach to your shoe. It's like a great accessory to have in your wardrobe just because it makes your shoe very versatile. You can take a pair of shoe that you can attach and it can just elevate your shoe. These ones, it's just a beige pointed toe shoe, and then if I was to attach the buckle, this sparkly bedazzled buckle, I could easily just attach it to the front. You can see that it's already elevated the shoe. I can also attach it to the back buckle if I wanted. So there's so many different options. I love that. It's very versatile. Taking it from day to night, you can easily just pack this in your handbag and ready to go. All the links and details for these shoes will be linked in the description box below. Check it out and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Continuing on with my summer favorites haul. A few items that came straight from Italy. My fiance was in Italy this summer and he made a stop along the way at Pucci, just knowing how much I love Pucci and no other place to pick up Pucci from Florence. But he bought me this, basically this beautiful scarf. I mean, the print that Pucci has is just stunning. The blues, the greens, I love blue and green together, as you can see. It has beautiful white, pink, so many different colors that looks absolutely beautiful. I've never had a silk scarf of this sort of cutout, but basically it's a long triangle with these long pieces, so it's very versatile. Basically I can wear it over a bikini as a cover up. I was in Miami a few days ago and I was wearing it on my head as a bandana to protect myself from the sun, but also look super chic and cute. Love that. I mean, this can be worn as a top that I could just wear with white linen trousers. It would look absolutely stunning. This is definitely beautiful, a forever piece, very versatile, and I love pieces that I can just style endlessly. And to match the scarf, he picked me up some swimwear. I love peachy swimwear, so he definitely chose a really pretty one. So it's a bikini, comes with a top and bottom. Basically it's a triangular swimwear and it has the beautiful print with the blue and red running through it, and then matching bottoms, really cute. I think it goes beautifully with the color. So he kind of made a little set and it's just like a peachy summer. I want every summer to be a peachy summer. I want to talk a little bit about jewelry. Now this summer I've picked up a few pieces of jewelry. The first one being actually 2 pieces from Mejuri. I absolutely love Mejuri. They have a store here in New York, in Soho specifically, but they have a lot of their stock online. This was also a little gift. This one is a 14K gold pave diamond with natural diamond ring. I always wear this every single day. I just put it in the box just to unbox it and show you. But basically it is my absolute favorite ring. And this was also a gift which I wanted to mention because I think it is beautiful. It is so stunning. So yes, that. And then another little piece from Mejuri, which I picked up at the beginning of summer and I've been loving. It is a Huggy Hoop 18K solid gold on sterling silver. So really pretty. It's a bit hard to show you just because they are quite small and they are a Huggy Hoop. They are very cute, very versatile. They can definitely be worn with bigger hoops and then you could stack in your second hole. But I love these for every day, and yeah, really, really pretty. A great hoop to add to the collection. They have all different sizes. Mejuri is one of my dream jewelry brands just because they have so many pieces that are versatile and that I just look at and I instantly fall in love. It makes me feel good when I put it on. They're very buildable in a sense of I could wear it from day to night. I can stack jewelry together and make a whole different look out of it. I love playing around with jewelry in that sense. Last piece of jewelry I wanted to share was from Fendi, and actually I'm wearing it because it has become part of my everyday stack. It is this beautiful Fendi. It has a little FF logo and a little Diamante on it. It's become part of my everyday stack. I love it. It was a gift as well, but yeah, I'm loving the little gold stack. I feel like it is getting somewhere and I do need a bit more, but as of now, my wrist is looking very dainty and cute, especially stacked with the Van Cleef, which I'm loving. So that's something that was also new. A few clothing items that I want to share. Now, this one just came in the mail directly from Saks, and this is a Ronnie Cabot dress in this beautiful cotton. It is a midi dress. Now, she is the it dress of the season, I have to say, for summer. This style of corset, but the lower corset that just comes down into the waist area and then it comes out with this beautiful puff, the same on the back. Absolutely stunning, very dainty, sweetheart neckline with the straps. It is a midi dress, but on me, it's a maxi, so this needs a trip to the tailor, but I think that it is absolutely stunning. It is so classy, it is so beautiful. It has pockets. I just want to wear this on like a date night, dinner in like Tuscany. It just one of those dresses that when you put it on, it just like takes you to another place. Yeah, this with the flats from 709, these two together will look beautiful for a day look and just really sweet and classy at the same time, but also kind of flirty. And I love this. Very old school Victorian meets city girl. Yeah. So this style definitely was very much trending, but I was picky on the neckline and I knew kind of what I wanted, and then when I saw this one, I was like, order immediately. So yes, love that. Another clothing item I picked up that I've been loving this summer, and I had to share it. I've worn it a few times that I've had it. I've maybe had it for about a week, but it is this beautiful blue midi skirt in this sheer. It has underlining as well. This is from Revolve, but it is from a brand called Bella Venice. It is a low rise, which I really like. I love wearing a midi skirt with just like a basic tank top and then heels to match, or flats or sandals. I think that it looks very effortless, but also put together. Instead of just having to always wear pants or anything, a midi skirt, especially a low rise one, can really elevate any look. Last piece of clothing to share is this beautiful crochet skirt, very Magda Butrym inspired, with the little roses on the side. It is so sweet and stunning. It is a cover up for your bikini. So I think that this with the Pucci bikini that I got this summer is absolutely stunning. It is a maxi. It comes in this beautiful sand color. It also comes in black and white, but I just love the sand color. And yeah, this is so cute and very stylish, easy to just wear down to the pool or the beach, especially if you're coming in the pool or beach to have lunch. You could definitely put this on. Because it is a tube, it can also be worn as a dress, which I think will look really cute. But yeah, I'm really happy to add this to my collection, especially living in New York. It starts getting cold. We love to escape to the Caribbean. Last winter we were in Jamaica, and there is no doubt in my mind that I will not be in the Caribbean this winter as well, because the winter is very cold and unbearable. It's cute sometimes, but it gets too much and you need a break, which is fair. Moving on to makeup, and I have a few makeup slash beauty that I need to share with you that I have picked up this summer that I am absolutely enjoying so much that it's become an everyday for me. Now, firstly, I want to start with a Summer Fridays. I've been using Summer Fridays for a while, but this one particularly is the pink bottle, which I want to say it's in pink sugar. But when I say that this smells incredibly divine, it is so hard to not use it every day. I'm obsessed. I've always had the vanilla one. I gave this one a try and I've been loving it. It just blends beautifully. It has a bit of color as well, pink to it. I'm wearing it right now. As long as Summer Fridays stocks this, this will forever be in my handbags. Next little pink item I want to share is this tiny little blush, which is so cute. It's the Giorgio Armani in Luminous Silk Cheek Tint. It is in a very bright pink, which I never thought would be a shade for me. It is in shade 53. It is so easy to blend. The color, I just put like 2 little dots and blend it. I'm wearing it right now and it does wonders. It just blends right away. It does what it needs to. You only need a tiny amount, so hence the small bottle. I still believe this will last me a while, but I wanted to share this. I did take a risk getting this color, but it's been working, and yeah, really stunning. Love that. Last 2 products. This one I'm loving is the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc fragrance. This smells incredible. It has a warm and spicy note that whenever I spray it, instantly takes me to a luxurious, hot summer night in the Mediterranean. You just showered after all day spending at the beach. Your body is glowing. You're wearing minimum makeup. Your hair is wavy. Your skin is glowing. And you're about to have a beautiful dinner for the sunset. That is the smell it reminds me of. A Mediterranean summer. Love it. Very beautiful. Last item. Now this one I picked up recently. If you saw my hair care routine, this is called the Color Wow Extra Strength Dream Coat. Basically, I spray this after I wash my hair for anti-frizz. It has been doing beyond. Now, I did not expect it to work the way it was. Before I discovered this, again, like I mentioned, humidity is insane here. My hair was frizzing up. With this, it styles beautifully. Honestly, I just give it about 4 spritz in my hair, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom, and then I go in and style it, and my hair is not frizzy at all. It's been calm, it's been curling, it's been staying in the position I need it to stay instead of just going. So I have to give this little product a huge shout out. And I love the size. I love a good mini. I love to travel, so I love a good little mini stack that I don't have to drag around big products for. But yeah, I love this one very, very much so. So that is the beauty that I picked up in the past few weeks that I've been loving and has become part of my summer essential. Last few pieces I want to share. Firstly, I want to share these beautiful heels. Now, I picked up these from Tony Bianco when I was in Australia, and I didn't get to wear it in New York till recently, until it started to warm up. But these are the shoes I actually got engaged in. So I absolutely love these. I love a mule. I love that it's not too high. They're great for every day, especially just like roaming around in the city. I could wear it from day again to night, and I love that. I'm not a huge stiletto girl anymore. I used to enjoy stiletto when I was like 18, and now I'm definitely not. I'm very much a kitten heel or a wedge kind of girl. I like that. I prefer that. A few accessories. I needed to mention sunglasses. Now these ones are from Le Specs and they are out of love. These are my #1 summer essential. I haven't been wearing any other sunglasses, which makes me kind of sad for my other sunglasses, but these have just been like my go-to. Like, oh, I need sunglasses, take these. I don't know, they just go with everything, especially if you're wearing a very bold outfit. This just goes really well with it. I just can't step away from these sunglasses. They have been doing everything I need them to. The UV protection, which we care about, is great. It supports all my UV needs. I've been loving it. So that's something to definitely mention. I had to mention my little cowboy hat this summer. This one right here has become my summer personality. I wear this everywhere. This is from Aritzia in a size small. This is me. This is the Aussie in the United States. I have become part of the culture, but I'm loving my cowboy hat. It's in this beautiful crochet and again in this very beautiful beige color. I love that these are like adjustable, so I can actually pull them down and make it flat, or I can just curl it up even more if I wanted. This came with me to Miami, and yeah, it's been living its best life this summer. It has been at the beach, it's been on the streets, I wear it shopping. I have been enjoying this hat a lot. Definitely a fun way to just like spice up any outfit, you know? Like I could just wear it with this t-shirt and just a really cute handbag and head out. Since this is a summer haul and everything I picked up, I need to mention what I picked up 24 hours ago, and I am obsessed. This is the Kindle. Now, I love to read and I never thought that I would want the Kindle till last night at about 7 p.m. I decided, you know what? I want a Kindle. So then my fiance and I went to Best Buy and we picked up a Kindle. So I have already started a new book. So when I picked it up, I came home and already downloaded one of the books, found a book immediately, and have been reading. I'm already on chapter 9, and I am reading The Power of Discipline. If you are looking for some inspiration this summer, I definitely recommend it. I have not been able to put down this Kindle. I'm even surprised I was able to put it down and film a video. Can't put it down. It is very convenient. It fits in all my little handbags. It is very light to carry. You don't have to slug around a big book. I had to mention this even though I've had it for less than 24 hours. It is a must for me. Best random decision I've had in a while. But yeah, so highly recommend that. That basically concludes my summer haul and essentials that I've been loving this entire summer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely comment down below if you will be trying any of these items, and let me know if there's anything you recommend for me to try, from fashion, shoes to beauty and hair care that you've been loving this summer. I would love to know. Also, a reminder, if you are interested in the 7 or 9 shoes, the links for both these pairs of shoes will be linked below in the description box. That's where you can find it. You can also use my promo code Nihal79 to get 15% off store-wide. So definitely have a look on the website to see if there's anything that you will love to pick up and add to your collection. But I am very excited about these 2 pairs and I can't wait to style them. If you don't already, I would love for you to subscribe and join my little community here on YouTube, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.